This is Shira, and I'm here today. Another video. So I'm here today in waterfall obby. Somebody pissed me off. Wait, somebody pissed me off. What's up? Hi. Too many people. So sorry if you see like how can I explain this? If you see the controls, cause I'm on laptop, and yeah, I'm very bad at obbies. I'm still practicing my obby skills. That's why I too many people, dang. I'm still practicing on my obby skills. Feel like I'm still doing a little bit bad on it. I'm a little slow. And yeah. No. I've gotten this far. I'm not gonna die today. Shortcut. I always like finding shortcuts. That's what's the best thing. Hi. Why do you have a star on top of you? Do I have a star on top of me? Okay, no! Okay, I'm gonna have to use my... I like using the control settings. I like using the tablet mode. But, I'm a cheater. This is not helping with my laptop skills, but, I'm gonna have to use it sometimes, so... Sorry if I'm, like, repeating stuff. It's because I'm listening to anime. The anime is Fairy Tail. I'm rewatching Fairy Tail because, well, I'm a weeaboo. Yeah. Oh, no! I cried. Okay, I need to stop acting like a kid. I'm on her head. Thank you. I accidentally used your head. Don't judge me. I'm a cheater, basically. If I can find my way to cheating tactics, I will be happy. Sorry if it's a little laggy. It's just, it's really laggy. I don't know why. It's a little laggy. On the screen recording, probably. Because it's not the best screen recording. Ooh, yay. Stage 2. Stop in the corners. Duh. Yeah. I'm not really scared of this part sometimes. Sometimes I am. Yeah. I just have to find the perfect balance and just go with it. Yeah. Playing on laptop is really hard for me. I don't know why, it just really is. On mobile, I got this, but on laptop, I have problems. Wait, I have problems with my life every day. So yeah. Okay, that may get deep, but that kind of got deep. Wait, am I grabbing the checkpoint? Okay, I was a little worried that I didn't grab the checkpoint. Climb, yeah. This is called waterfall obby. I don't know why, but I said waterfall. Sorry, I may get distracted a little. This is what I do when I'm home alone. Do we touch these things? Can we touch these things? I don't know if we're supposed to, but I was about to fall off the edge for a second. How do you do this? What the heck? No, I'm bad at these things. Oh wow, what the heck? Don't push me off! Huh. That's it. I'm gonna use controls. I don't care if I'm cheating. I always cheat. Somehow. Can I climb? I can just climb! No, I can't. Yeah, I can. Yeah, I can. I can do this. Come on, climb. Climb, my character, climb. Okay. I'm bad at this, no matter what. First person mode, here I come. First person, you failed me. Thought you would. One. Oh my gosh, I'm about to rage quit. I'm just kidding. I won't rage quit. Unlike somebody I know who can. I won't tell her. I won't tell you. Ooh, I got 2 stars on my head. Oh, what the heck? I'm totally bad at this obby. I may actually have to quit. Because I can't actually do this part. But I will never quit. It'll probably take forever. This screen opening will probably take like 20 minutes. That's on my last video got 20 minutes and 48 seconds. I don't know the specific times. So yeah. This may take forever, guys. I have a trick for this. Boop. Yeah, I can only do mobile because I don't know how to rotate my camera. Yeah. Still learning. It's this one then. What? Jump. Jump. Jump, jump. I totally forgot which one it is. This one. Yes, the middle. What are these things? I know what they are. I can do this by myself. Yeah, I did it by myself. Let me turn up my volume a little. Woohoo! What the fuck? Oh no, these blue things. Yeah. Got this. I'm cheating. I'm a sore loser. Just kidding. It said no. That's so laggy. It's so laggy. I can hear his explosions because I'm watching anime. Poop poop. Wait. Oh, I thought that was. It pushes you back? This corner. Thank you, girl, for teaching me your ways, though. Kill it. Oh. Boom. Yes, I'm doing. I'm gonna be silent for like a little bit because like I concentrate. Easy. Who said that? What the? Did they disappear? Ah! I always feel like I'm gonna fall. Easy. That's what the chat said. I didn't say it. Sorry if I'm yelling. Because I just can't hear it right now. Listen to anime. Well, actually, I'm looking at the anime. I'm a little distracted, okay? But just be. You'd probably do it too if you were bored. No! Wipe out. Oh, I already failed. Hey. I hate balancing. Wait, what does this have to do with wipe out? I can't even get onto the first peg. What the fudge? What the? I may yell weird words because don't touch blue things. Boop. No, but go this way. Maybe I should quit this obby. I'm very bad with this obby. Girl, stop pushing me. I'm gonna play it like the actual game. No, I'm not. Break the rules. Why am I so bad at this? Oh no! Maybe I'll just skip this episode. I will quit this. I'm probably gonna quit the obby. I'm just kidding. I'll try to. Oh, what the? I will pause. Did I start it back up again? Did I? Well, I'm probably gonna end it anyways. I can't make it. I'm sorry, guys. Who cares? I'm gonna try one more time. One more time. That does not count. That does not count either. Do this. I did it! I did it! I'm so proud of myself. What the? How do you do this? Jump, jump. Oh, fudge. Oh, what the heck? Oh, oh no. Oh no. No, 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 no. By the way, I made you be. Watch out for another gotcha video. Yeah! I'll do another gotcha verse video. Don't judge me. Posting 2 videos in 1 day. Actually, I haven't posted that video yet because I'm not even finished with it because I've been watching a lot of fairy tale anime. I'm so undependable. How do you... Hold up. Hold up, what the heck? Okay, maybe I should just leave. I'm sorry, guys. I'm gonna have to go out this one. What the? No, I'm quitting. No. Skip stay. Dang it. Robux as always. Well, anyways, I'm gonna quit this. And I'm gonna end it. So, see y'all next time in another video. Please and thank you. Bye. And please subscribe to Night Shadowcast if this is your first time watching me fail at every single thing in my life. Actually, I failed everything in my life. Yeah. Anyway, so, yeah. Well, see y'all Night Shadowcast later. Bye. Bye. This always takes